So guys, this is Aviside blog. So guys, today I show you how to download wordpress from your website. This is very easy way you can download wordpress from your website designing. So first need to you write there hosting yes, web hosting is coming, web hosting login. So first I need to signing. You can free signing web hosting. Okay, so click there, free signing for web hosting. So you can go there this website and you can download webpass. This is very simple and easy way. You logging from your Gmail account. Okay, I logging from my Gmail account. Just wait a few seconds. Yeah, so already open. See, already I create my Gmail account from I create this account from Gmail. Okay, so let's do. You can select from their more option. Okay, learn web development. There have also more four option what you do like. Okay, so I like from start a blog. Okay, so I select there start a blog. Then you can also there have which category you can write there. Okay, so I write there which blog I like lifestyle. Okay, so so need to you create your website any name, you create any name. Okay, website name, office site, blog. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Install a wordpress. This is very easy way. You select my password. After I can install the my wordpress. Okay, when you put your admin password, everything, see installing my wordpress. Okay, so guys, see you installing my wordpress. Just wait for a few seconds, guys. This is installing. Yeah, see, it's confirmed, already installing. After you go to confirm your web page login.